Okay, today I'm going to talk about the stainless steel food mill. Very high quality item, easy to put together. So this is taking it apart, easy to take apart and clean. This is how it comes. So you set this grate down in here. It's got little notches so it holds in place. And then this right here has this little thing that comes out, goes right in the middle of that grate. And then right up here, all you do is slide it under on both sides, and it snaps into place right here. That's it. So to take it apart is going to be super easy to clean, and then to use it, you just turn it, put it over your bowl, and the stuff comes out here. Now, this is the box that it comes in. This is going to be perfect. Well, first of all, let me show you. Also, it comes with 4 different grate sizes. So you can do all different kinds of textures of sauces. So it's perfect for fruit jellies, jams, purees, mashed potatoes, soups, sauces. You can even make your own baby food. I know how important it was when I had my first baby to make my own baby food. She loved carrots and butter. So this is a really high quality item made of stainless steel. It is easy to take apart, easy to clean, easy to use. You will be super happy with this purchase.